Midway was a serious battle of World War II. It was a dangerous conflict to face, and many lives were taken. Many of people from the home front helped as well. The Japanese attacked the United States by sinking their ships. Troop movements were often island hopping. United States commander was General George C. Marshall, and the Japanese commander-in-chief was Admiral Yamato. World War II earned medals to show their hard work and effort. One medal they earned was the defense of Kiev. It was awarded to all participants in the defense hero of Kiev. Secondly, they earned Budapest for the soldiers of the Red Army. Lastly, the American Defense Medal. It was given to any naval who was active on duty. Some of their weapons were extra powerful, such as supergun. It shot heavy items. Was overall supportive of World War II. Some things they did was grow home quality crops. Many people worked hard to prepare for the war, and many of people collected scrap metal for supplies. Lastly, women worked in factories in place of men. People had an impact in World War II. Barbara Erickson was the first WASP to receive Air Medal for achievement. She completed 2,000 miles delivery of 3 different types of aircraft. This was a dangerous and hard task to complete. Harry S. Truman was a hard worker and a fast learner. He made the decision to drop 2 atomic bombs on Japan to force their surrender. He did this alone. Interesting facts to this project. One fact is World War II involved more nations, and lastly, the German Stug 3 was cheaper and quicker than a tank. It was a disadvantage when on the offensive.